Well, hello. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I made this piece here for my little tractor to replace this original one, which is rusted very badly, as you can see, and making that using these tools here: a socket 13/16, a 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt, the nut that locks on the angle grinder, and this piece here, which was on a pulley, some kind of pulley, something you can easily make out of a big nut or something like that, as long as it has a 1/2 inch bore and it has to have that shape there to make the hole and the bevel in the hole, a big nut for a spacer, and a nut for the bolt, the 1/2 inch nut, you know. And I'm using a 3/4 wrench, or 19 milli. You start by drilling your hole to 1/2 inch. As you can see, I made all these ones here, already made them. This is a hole, there's one there that's not made there, so we're going to show you how you make that one and how you make this one. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first you're going to put this lock for the angle grinder, the nut, on the bolt like that. Then you take your socket and put it like this. The idea is, when you have it like that, so this piece here will slide in and go inside like that. Pushes the metal and bottoms at as far as it goes, I guess. You have to put the socket on the side where you want the protrusion. In this case here, we want it in this side here. So we're gonna put it on this side. We're gonna put it on this side here, like that. Sorry, like this. We push that all the way in. I made my hole tight, so I didn't want to make it too loose. Okay. And then you put this one here, like that. The spacer, like that. The nut, like that. How to do this with one hand, I guess. Anyways, you tighten it until it tightens up. Then give it about 1/2 turn. Now she's tight. Like that. Now all you gotta do is tighten this side here. From the other side, you tighten this bolt in there. Keep tightening, keep tightening. Anyway, I'm gonna have to put it down here. It's gonna be a bit hard, but then it will loosen up as the thing goes inside. Now she's starting to loosen up now. But you gotta keep tightening until it tightens up again. Like that. That's good. Now you loosen it. Just like that. Take the bolt out. take the socket out, put the bolt, and then you go on the other side. You kinda, this is gonna be really tight now here, there. So you kinda gotta wiggle it right out like that. I don't know how you're gonna do this without the camera like this. You gotta wiggle it out using the bolt. And that's what you get. This is the other side. And same way, the other hole, we start with the socket and the bolt. Put in the hole. This is a bit looser. And put your piece here. This piece here. This nut for a spacer. And tighten the nut on the bolt. Give it about half a turn or whatever. Now tighten again. This is hard to do with the hold the camera at the same time. Okay, tighten it. Oops. It started hard, but then it's a lot easier with two hands anyways. Now she's loosening again, which means the thing went through the hole and pushed the metal out. Now you're gonna keep going until it tightens up again. That will straighten it if it bends out of shape or something. Okay, that's good enough. And loosen it. Oh, can't do it. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got that loosened now. Let's take the nut out. Take the bolt out here. And just kind of get this thing out here. And this is what you get. I should show you this here. Like that. This is the other side. This is the whole panel. It's a lot better than this. Here, let's put them side by side here. That's the original one. This is the one I made, which is not finished yet. Still have a few things to do to it and weld a little bit on it and make it fit better. Okay, thank you for watching and see you later.